Is your deviation write-up getting crushed in FDA audits? Vague description, no quantification, impact missing. These are the #1 483 triggers that kill CAPAs and delay approvals. But a bulletproof problem statement equals 50% of the solution. Enter Problem Description Pro, the fully automatic 5W2H tool that generates audit-ready narratives in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Kick off automatic setup. Click New Analysis. Type OOS Batch 4521 Potency Drop. Select type OLS Complaint CAPA. Auto-created. Done. Step 2. 7 questions. Auto-guided, auto-saved. Answer once. The tool automatically captures, formats, and structures every response. What? Assay 78% versus 95 to 105% spec. Auto-bolded. Okay. Who, client alert. Where? HPLC Lab 2, system number A12, auto-located. Oh, when? Oct 31st, 2025, 14:30, auto-timestamped. Why? Subpotent drug risk, auto-impact flagged. How? Stability auto-fail, auto-method tagged. How much? 3 of 500 vials, 0.6%. Auto-calculated. Step 3. Magic. 100% automatic generation. Progress bar hits 100%. Instant auto-generated problem statement, clear, quantified, FDA proof. Copy, save, or export PDF. All automatic. No manual formatting. No copy-paste errors. No audit rewrites. Hashtag CAPA on autopilot. Hashtag FDA approved. Hashtag Pharma automation. Automatic. Offline. Zero install. Level up your quality game automatically today. Go to www.pharmanextic.com and after, go to Quality Management, Operational Excellence, and Strategy Software. Become the best version of your professional self. Next level starts now.